We are here in Shabrimala Cooperative Housing Society of Navar, Ambernath. And we have come here for water purification of the society using biosanitizer eco technology. This is a biosanitizer kit which contains biosanitizer eco chips inside. I am plugging this kit now, and this kit is ready for dosing. I will be administering this kit into the groundwater storage tank. This is the groundwater storage tank, and I am administering this biosanitizer kit into the tank. This is called a biopurification of water, and this biosanitizer water purification kit will remove the chlorine and alum toxin from the water, because though we call alum and chlorine as water purifiers, but they are highly toxic chemicals and affect the health of the people who consume this water. And this biosanitizer action will convert them into nutrients. It will oxidize the water, and active oxygen will be generated in the water. That will make the water live, healthy and healing for the society people. This water has got cleaning capacity. It can be used for a floor cleaner, glass cleaner, vegetable wash. Also, it reduces the cost of the other sanitizers of washing powder and other cleaning powder also. But if you use this for floor cleaning, no need of adding chemicals to the water, and it makes the floor clean. It removes odor also. You can use this in your toilets, water closets. This water has got anti-corrosive properties. There will be no rusting of your water supply connections, pipes and caulks, which is a recurring problem for the household. Also, there will be no mosquitoes, no cockroaches, no flies in your home, because this water also acts as a mosquito repellent, because it purifies the air also, and the total ambience in your housing society will be ozone rich. I am putting this in your underground tank, as well as you will be administering the dose to the overhead tank also. Thank you. आप biosanitizer in the overhead tank of Shabrimala Housing Society for water purification. This is the kit, and after administering this dose to the tank, there will be no need of cleaning the tank forever. It is a self tank cleaner technology. It will also remove algal growth in the tank. There will be no algae, there will be no mosquitoes, and the tank will be clean. This technology has got capacity to dissolve the silt in the tank. Hence, there is no need of recurring cleaning of this tank. Once the dose is administered, it will auto clean the tank. It acts as a tank cleaner also, as well as it acts as a water purifier. Thank you.